Hello mga ka-UBG, ako ulit. Pasensya na, okay? Sa mga nag-comment po na mahina ang voice, pasensya na po kasi yung lugar ko is not appropriate para gumawa ng video. Pero sana naman ngayon po ay medyo maka-adjust na ng konti. So, let's see Virgo kung anong ganap sa'yo. Anong ganap kay Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, maaaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Maybe ikaw to or taong connected sa'yo, Virgo, para maliwanag lang. Okay, para po sa hindi makaka-resonate, okay? Better luck next time po. Okay, para po sa mga makaka-resonate, alam nyo na pong galawan. Thank you so much in advance. So, let's see. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, anong ganap? Anong ganap? Virgins, anong ganap? Oh, Knight of Pentacles, apology or offer, the Lover's card, decision making, Four of Swords, thinking and contemplating about the offer or about the apology or about on something, relationship wise. Okay, tingnan natin, Two of Wands, one step in, one step out, one foot in, one foot out, Virgo. Someone is planning or nakikita niya na ang the light at the end of the tunnel, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw to or person na connected sa'yo, taong nasa environment mo, but we will see. Merong decision making dito, the Lover's card. Relationship to for sure. Clarify the Knight of Pentacles, Virgo. Pero yung offer is napakabagal or merong nababagalan sa offer, Virgo. Or nababagalan sa apology or nababagalan sa may umaasang may mag-a-apology dito. I don't know kung sinong kinakausap ko, but yeah. Clarify the Knight of Pentacles for my Virgo, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. Three of Swords. Someone is heartbroken. This is an apology, Virgo. Nine of Cups. This is an opportunity and an offer. What else? Queen of Swords. I think, Virgo, merong heartbroken, no? Okay. With the Queen of Swords is being healed. Hindi ko alam kung may block dito or block energetically, block communication. May nagdadalawang isip dito, Virgo. Okay. But with the Nine of Cups, Virgo, clarify the Nine of Cups. Four of Swords. Again, dalawa ng four mo. So, 44, Virgo, may be significant. Two of Pentacles and the Two of Wands. 22 and 44, Virgo. Sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, merong heartbroken. For the Three of Swords to the Four of Swords, someone is healing. Nag-healing dito, Virgo. Okay. Nag-healing siya. Or basta nag-healing siya, Virgo. Merong straight communication na magte-take place dito, Virgo. Communication na magte-take place, but nagdadalawang isip. Hindi ko alam kung sino mong gusto makipag-communicate, pero parang feeling ko may mag-o-open sa'yo dito, Virgo, na magsasabi sa'yo na I am really heartbroken. You know, you are my everything. Okay, this person is already heartbroken to the fact that maybe you cut this person off. Baka kinat off mo tong person na to, Virgo, meron kayong fallout, o kaya dadalawang isip ka magpag-communicate, or maybe nag-communicate ka na and then this person is like, you broke my heart. Really, victim mentality, Virgo. But someone is expecting an apology. May nag-i-expect ng apology dito, Virgo. I don't know if that's you or the another person. Okay. Someone is expecting an apology. May nag-i-expect ng apology dito. May nag-i-expect ng apology, may nag-i-expect ng explanation. Why is that? Bakit? Merong isang tao dito na heartbroken siya. Ang dami niyang question sa ulo niya. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw yan, Virgo, o the person that you're connecting with. Ang dami niyang question sa ulo niya. Okay. Ang dami niyang question, Virgo. Or maybe ikaw ang daming question. Baka merong black communication dito or black energetically. Basta meron ditong hindi na nagsalita pero nagdadalawang isip magsalita. Like, ano ba yan siya? Okay, Virgo, tell me more. Seven of Wands, fighting for what you believe in. Paglalaban mo, katwiran mo, ipaglaban mo. Yun ang naririnig ko dito. Basta meron ditong isang tao, Virgo, na nag-i-expect ng apology or nag-i-expect ng salaysay. Okay. Kung sa bakit ganun na lamang. Okay. This person, kung sino man to, ikaw ang wish niya with the 9 of Pentacles, ikaw alam mo yon. Hindi ko alam kung pinapaalam niya sa'yo or ngayon pa lang niya sasabihin sa'yo na nasaktan siya or whatsoever sa pagkatop mo with the Queen of Swords. Okay, and then nagdadalawang isip ka, tapos ipinaglalaban mo katiwiran mo dito, Virgo. May gusto ditong mag-address ng something or nag-i-expect ng address. Nag-i-expect ng direct communication or kung ano ba talaga. Ano ba talaga, Vikings? Dito ang napipil ko sa first row. Clarify the Lover's card, please. The High Priestess, oh my God. The Six of Swords, Virgo. Six of Cups. This person is missing you a lot with the King of Cups, and you know it. I think meron kang nafe-feel, Virgo, na sometimes hindi mo energy, busy ka, tapos bigla ka na lang mapapatahimik, and then that's for sure ang energy ng taong connected sa'yo, let's say past, present, and future person, Virgo. Energetically, with the High Priestess is being here, with the Six of Cups, Virgo. I think Six of Cups and the Lover's card, this person, nag-iisip siyang soulmate kanya or maybe in some point connected kayo in the past life. Hindi ko alam kung naniniwala kayo sa mga quote-on-quote na ganyan na soulmate, twin flame connection, past life connection, but this person is like, hindi man siya naniniwala, but merong siyang kutob with the High Priestess that you and another person that you are connecting with before or currently or as of now, I don't know, or in the future, mararamdaman niyang connection, okay? Both of you have similarities with the High Priestess, the Lover's card, but this is a decision-making, Virgo. This person is having a nostalgia mode, Virgo. Emotions are running high but hidden with the King of Cups. Emotionally intelligent, Virgo. Magaling magtago. Okay, with the High Priestess. High Priestess, hindi, marami siyang knowledge pero hindi niya inalalabas. It's the same thing with the King of Cups. Marami siyang feelings, nag-over, na-stir up na yung feeling niya, mag-overblast na, mag-overburst na, pero reminiscing about the past, Virgo. Nasa underneath po tayo ng Lover's card, so this person siguro meron siyang decision na kailangan niyang gawin but nahahatak siya sa'yo energetically, hindi niya rin alam kung ano, but intuition niya nagsasabi na this is your person, like this is the vacuum person that you meant to be with. Yun ang naririnig ko dito, okay? Clarify the King of Cups. Three of Cups, Virgos. Definitely, this person have a choice, but with the Page of Swords, this person is spying on you. Eight of Pentacles, pero pinopokus niya yung sarili niya sa work, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung alam mo yan or whatsoever. Okay. Instead of with the Three of Cups is being here, Virgo, gusto kanyang ilabas or gusto kanyang mga jamming sa kung ano pa man na, basta sa labas. So, gusto niyang mag-workout ang relationship niyo or mag-workout between ang laki ng expectation niya dito sa relationship, Virgo. Past person man to or present person or either way, it's same thing ang explanation ko dito. Pero nasa underneath tayo ng the Lover's card maybe you or ikaw or yung person na connected sa'yo in some point, in some area of your life, kailangan niyang magdesisyon or ikaw. Both of you. Either way, okay. Gusto niyang mag-workout to, Virgo. Three of Cups, gusto ka niyang ayain sa labas, reconciliation, mag-celebrate. Namimiss niya kasi dito, Virgo, with the Six of Cups to the Three of Cups, Virgo. Namimiss niya dito, with the King of Cups, emotionally, my God. Ang emotion niya dito is running high. Napaka-high ng emotion niya dito, tapos nag-i-spy sa sa'yo, or gusto niyang malaman kung anong galawan mo. With the Eight of Pentacles, gusto niyang mag-workout. Gusto niyang mag-workout to, Virgo. Moving into calmer water with you. Hindi ko alam kung connect to Virgo. But in some point, gusto niyang pakalmahin kung ano man ang mga issue ninyo. Gusto niyang ayusin, Virgo. Okay. With the Lover's card, ikaw ang napili nitong taong to. With the Three of Pentacles, Three of Cups is being here. Gusto niyang mag-celebrate, gusto niyang ilabas ka, gusto niyang lumabas kayo, gusto niyang, basta, hindi ko alam kung saan niya gustong pumunta. Basta may specific na lugar na gusto siyang punta, na kasama ka, na ikaw lang nakakaalam, na kayo lang dalawang nakakaalam ng kung ano pa man ang galawan yung dalawa. Okay. Maybe sa workplace or I don't know, workplace or basta gusto niyang mag-work out ang relationship niyo. Four of Swords, Virgo. Clarify the Four of Swords, please. Four of Swords. Nine of Wands, Virgo. Knight of Cups, really. The World card. And the Devil card. Yun na nga siya. Ay, Virgo. May nagko-contemplate dito or merong sakit. Hindi ko alam kung may sakit, Virgo. Bakit ko nasabi yun? Kasi sa nakita ko dito, Nine of Wands at saka Four of Swords. Para bang merong may sakit. Or maybe can represent guarded lang. Wounded warrior. This person is really feeling hurt. How many times with the Nine of Wands? Heavily burdened. Pero meron pa siyang one shot. Okay. Hindi niya na obsessed to sa yung person na to, Virgo. In fairness, hindi ko alam with the World card. With the World card, hindi ko alam kung tinapos mo to, tapos nagkikrave siya ng new beginning. Okay, Virgo? Kasi ang the World card, accomplishment yan. How come napupunta ang Knight of Cups para mag-offer sa dating tapos na? Obsessed siya dito, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung tinapos mo to, or yun na nga sinasabi. Aanihin mo pa ang damo kung patay ng kabayo. My God. But this person, even though nakikita ka niya, you are very defensive here. Alam niyang marami siyang atraso sa'yo, marami siyang nagawa sa'yo, and you are healing here, Virgo. You are healing here. Alam niya, aware siya, or maybe this person is nag-try siyang mag-heal, pero hindi niya kaya. Nagkakasakit lang siya. Pero merong toxic to, Virgo. Merong toxic traits tong taong to. Hindi ko alam kung anong niyan, vision niyan. Hindi ko alam. I don't know. Hindi ko mai-point out. Basta yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Hindi ko mai-point out ang ano niya. Pero obsessed siya sa'yo kasi hindi ko alam kung tapos na kayo or nag-i-expect siya ng ano dito, new beginning with you. Kasi ang the World card is ending something in order to begin new things or new situation. Okay, meron kang tinapos dito, but at the same time ayaw niya pa rin, mag-o-offer pa rin siya. Knight of Cups to the World card, to the Devil card. Like, how come? Ay, Virgo. So, someone is planning ahead here. One step in, one foot out, one foot in, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw yan, pero silip mo na. Or someone is may silip na. Silip niya na, ramdam niya na, Virgo. With the Judgment card, naka-final judgment na to siya, Virgo. Naka-final judgment na siya, ikaw lang. Kasi kung meron tayong decision making nito, ikaw lang. Ikaw ang napag-desisyonan nito, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ka magkakaroon ng confirmation regarding sa taong to, pero hindi ko alam kung naganap na yan, magaganap, or kasalukuyang nagaganap, Virgo. But yan ang masasabi ko. This person choose you. But, ang mentality mo naman, naanin mo pang damo kung patay ng kabayo. Like, hello. Still there. Hello. Tingnan natin kung anong advice, Virgo. Advice for my Virgo, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Anong advice? Ay, bakit may nakasabay? Dito yan eh. Ay, ba't meron? Tower card. Nakasabay. Nakalob to sa box eh. Sorry, my bad. But, it's my bad, Virgo. But with the Tower card, Virgo, unexpected. Hindi ko lang kung merong unexpected labas tayo or unexpected aya dito na punta tayo sa gagawin natin to, gagawin natin yan, kind of thing. Okay. Gusto niyang mag-workout or ipipilit niya talagang mag-workout. Okay. Very unexpected, Virgo. Yung na yan, invitation na yan, or yung mga bibitawan niyang salita regarding sa gusto niyang mangyari sa inyong dalawa. Okay, since like I don't know kung ano decision mo. Basta yun na nasasabi ko dito. Anhin mo pang damo kung patay ng kabayo. Yatay. What is the advice for my Virgo, please? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. What is the advice? Adjustment is required, Virgins. The answer you need are coming, Virgins. Expect some powerful change. Exactly. This person, kung sino naman tong person na to, nagkikrave talaga siya ng new beginning dito with you, Virgo. Obsessively. I can say that. Okay. Expect some powerful change, Virgo. And this communication, the answer you need are coming. This person is going to communicate sa'yo unexpectedly. Okay. But you need to, like, adjustment is required. Okay. So, tingnan natin, Virgo. Bottom of the deck. Ay, ano ba yan? May 6 of Wands. Bakit ang kalat ng card ko? Victory card, Virgo. Public eye card. Itong person na to gusto niyang ipapangalandakan sa mga kaibigan niya na ikaw at siya is like, you know what I mean, long term or matibay na sinasabi. I don't know kung anong klaseng mentality yan, Virgo. Basta, bahala ka na kung saan ka lalapag dyan. A personal issues reaches resolution at the bottom of the deck, Virgo. So, Virgo, bahala ka kung saan ka lalagay dyan. Bibigyan ka ng angel message number, Virgo. I-google mo. So, let's see. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Bahala ka na, Virgo, kung saan ka lumapag dyan, no? Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. Clarify, sorry. Angel message number, please, for my Virgo. Angel message number. Ano ba yun siya? Meron kang Jack. Ancestor mo na mga middle age. Nag-pass away na kabilang buhay. Siya sa mga guardian angel mo, Virgo. We'll see. Meron kang 4, 5, don't tell me 6. Meron kang King, older energy, masculine ulit. Pero mga something 60s yan. Meron kang dalawang guardian angel dito, Virgo. Ancestor mo, 4, 5, 6. Sabi ko na nga ba? King, inang yan. So, 4, 5, 6, Virgo. Google mo siya, angel message number 456. And di ko alam kung anong magiging message mo dyan. So, it's up to you. So, Virgo, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And bye for now.